Hello students, already we have discussed how to find the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. We have solved many problems of that. Now we discuss using elementary operations how to find inverse of a 2 by 2 3 by 3 matrix. This is also same, not everything is same using row operation or column operation. There is no changes, but how to find out, that we have to see how, which is the method we have to follow, in which way we have to calculate. That is the important thing here. So this is the given matrix. So A is given, find the inverse of the matrix from the elementary operation. That is the question. So this is the matrix. First, what in the 2 by 2 we have converted A11 to 0. Then we in the row operation I'm telling A11 to 0. Then we go for A21, that is 0. A11 to 1 and A21 to 0. After that A22 to 1 and A12 to 0. That way we have converted. But here what we have to do is, first we have to convert this to 1, then it is 0. Then it is 0. Again we have to go to this, and here it is 0, 1, 0. Then we have to go to 0, 0, 1. We have to convert in this way. This way we have to convert. We know that how a 3 by 3 matrix of identity matrix, how it is, you know. So in this way we have to convert, and either we can use column or row. Suppose it is, now I am telling in a row operation. Column operation means go like this, again come, and like this we have to follow. So now it is a row bar. So first we have to write, A is equal to IA. You have to write the sentence in order to perform row operation. Write A is equal to IA. So what is A? We have to write given matrix 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1 is equal to a identity matrix of order 3 by 3, 1 into A. So first we have to convert the first element, this element to 1. So this element to 1. So what I can do, here there is 1, so we need 1 here, means we can just interchange. Therefore apply R1 interchanging with the R2. Apply R1 interchanging R2. So what we get now, R1 and R2 when it is interchanges, so we can write 1, 2, 3. R1 and R2 interchanges 0, 1, 2. Next 3, 1, 1 is equal to, here also R1 and R2 interchanges. So how it is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1 into A. Now I have converted this to 1. Already it is 0. Now I have to convert this to 0. So convert to 0, already have told I have to use one more row. Since it is row operation, I have to use one more row. So here I cannot use this row because it is 0. So I have to use the row R1. So how I can make it as 0? Applying R3 changes to, apply R3 changes to, R3 changes to R3 minus R3 minus 3 into R1, 3 into R1. So if I do this operation, then what I can see, R3 changes to R3 minus 3 into R1 means next R1 and R2 remains as it is. So I can write R1 as it is. What is R1? 1, 2, 3, then 0, 1, 2. Here also R1 and R2 I can write as it is 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0. I can write as it is because R1 and R2 does not change, only R3 changes. So this will be next R3. How I have to change? R3 changes to 3 into R1. R3 changes to 3 into R1. So it is R3 3 minus 3 into 1. 3 into 1 is 0. So this becomes 0. After that, here it is 1 minus 3 into 1 minus 3 into 2. 1 minus 3 into 1 minus 6. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. Minus 5. Then 1 minus 3 into 3 is 9. 1 minus 9 is minus 8. After that, here 0 minus, that will be 0 only. Next 0 minus 3 into 1. 0 minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. Then 1 minus 3 into 0 is 1 only. This is 1. So I have converted like this. I have converted first column to 1 0 0. After that I have to apply which operation? I have to convert which one to 0? I have to convert in this phase. This one I have to convert to 0. That means this 2 I have to convert to 0. So how I can convert to 0? I have to use one more row. Now you can see either you can use R2 or R3. But which is easy? Using R2 is easy because it is 1 and here it is minus 5. So use R2 to make this as a 0. So what is that? Apply R1 changes to R1 minus 2 into R2. R1 minus 2 into R2 gives 2 minus 2 is 0. So now only R1 changes. So I can write other elements as it is 0, 1, 2, 0, minus 5, minus 8. This is equal to 1 0 0 0 minus 3 1 into A. I have written R2 and R3 as it is, only R1 changes. So R1, how it changes? R1 minus R1 minus 2 into R2. So R1 is 1. 1 minus 2 into 0 is 1 only. Next 2 R1 minus 2 into R2. 2 minus 2 into 1 is 0. Then 3 minus 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is 4. So 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Then here 0 minus 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is minus 2. It is minus 2. Then 1 minus 2 into 0 is 1. That is 1. Then 0 minus 0, we get it is 0 only. So we have converted 1 0 0. Then I have to go this element. So here 0 and next it should be 1. It is already 1. No need to change again. So go for this element minus 5. So I have to convert this minus 5 to 0. So how I can convert this to 0? So to convert it to 0, always we have to use one more row. So now I cannot use R1. I have to go for R2. So what is that? Which operation I can do? So here it should be 0 means to 0 there should be 5. I have to add plus 5. So multiply by 5 and add to this row. So apply R3 changes to R3 plus 5 into R2. I have to multiply this by 5 and add to the third row. So what happens? First and second row will be as it is. First and second row will be as it is. So what is the first and second row? 1 0 minus 1 0 1 2. Then here minus 2 1 0 1 0 0. into A, this is as it is, no changes in that, only changes in the third row. So how it changes? R3 changes to R3 plus 5 into R1. 5 into R2. So 0 plus 5 into 0 is 0 only. There is no change in that. Then I have to go for minus 5 changes to minus 5 plus 5 into R2. So minus 5 plus 5 will be 0. After that, minus 8 plus 5 into 2 is a 10. 10 minus 8 is a 2. Is to next 0 plus 5 into R2. 0 plus 5 into 1 is a 5. Then minus 3 plus 5 into 0 is a minus 3. Minus 3 plus 5 into 0 is a minus 3. 1 plus 5 into 0 is a 1. So I have converted this to 1 0 0 0 1 0. Now I have to go for minus 1. So how I can change minus 1? Minus 1 can be changed. I have to change that to 0. I have to change minus 1 to 0. How to change minus 1 to 0? I can change minus 1 to 0 by next right here. Which operation I can do now? Minus 1 to 0. I can change this also. So I'll change minus 1 to 0. So how to make it is 0? So I have to use one more. That means what? 1 by 2 or I had to use one more. So if I multiply this by something, we won't get it is 0. So I'll change this to 2. Either the same pattern you can follow, or I can use here, and I can go from here also. So what I'll do is I'll change this to 1, because if I wanted to change this to 0, I have to use one more row. But here one more row, if I multiply by some value, I won't get a 0 easily. So I have to multiply by half. So I'll change this to 1. Apply R3 changes to, I have to change that to 1, means half into R3. I am doing this, I am changing this to 1 because I have to change this element, but I am not changing this element because if to make it 0, I have to use one more row. Now one more row is difficult as we used here. So I'll change this to 1. So how to change? By multiplying by half. So R3 changes now. How it changes? R3 changes. So R1, R2 as it is, 1 0 minus 1 0 1 2 is equal to, I'm writing R1 and R2, only R3 changes, that we can calculate later. Minus 2 1 0 1 0 0 into A. I am changing only R3 now. So R3, how it changes? 0 into half is 0 only. 0 into half is 0 only. Then half into 2 is 1. So it will be 0 0 1, and here it is 5. Half into R3, half into 5 is 5 by 2. 5 by 2, and here minus 3 into 2 is minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2, and 1 into R3 is 1 by 2. So this is the element we got. Now it is 1 0 0 0 1 0, and here it is 1 2 and minus 1. Now either I can change this to 0 or I can make it as 0. Now I have to use two operations to make two elements 0. So this element and this element. So how I can change? Now I can change R1 or I can change R2 also. How I can change R2? R2 can be changed, or R1 can be changed. Apply R1 changes to R1 plus R3. Either I can use either I can change R1 or R2, both I can do. R1 changes to R1 plus R3, so if I add we'll get 0. So R1 changes means I can write other elements as it is, 0 1 2, 0 0 1 into here it is 1 0 0, 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2 into A. Now R1 changes, how it changes? R1 plus R3. So 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, then minus 1 plus 1 is a 0. Next I have to go R1 plus R3. Minus 2 plus 5 by 2. Minus 2 plus 5 by 2 will be minus 2 becomes taking LCM minus 2, that is a minus 4 plus 5 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Then 1 plus minus 3 by 2 is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. 0 plus half is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So half minus half and 1 by 2. Now I have to 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 0. This one I have to convert to, what is that? I have to convert to 0. So how to convert that to 0? Again by applying or using one more row. So what is that row I can use now? I can use R3 because R3 has what is that 1. So I can, how I can change? Applying R2 changes to R2 minus apply R2 changes to R2 minus 2 into R3. R2 minus 2 into R3. So what is that I can get now? This will be here first one and third one as it is. 1 0 0 0 0 1. And first row, half minus half, half, half minus half plus half. Then 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2. 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2. Now I have to change only R2. I have to change only R2. So how I can change R2? R2 can be changed. R2 can be changed. How it can be changed? It will be R2 changes to R2 minus 2 into R3. R2, so R2 changes 2 into R3. 0 minus 2 into 0 is 0. So 1 minus 2 into 0 is 0. So this element as it is 0 and 1. The last element is R2. 2 minus 2 into 1. 2 minus 2 into 1 is 0 itself. It is 0. So next one, 1 minus 2 into R3. 1 minus 2 into R3 means 1 minus 2 into 5 by 2. 2 can be cancelled. 1 minus 5 is a minus 4. Is a minus 4. After that, 0 minus 2 into 0 minus 2 into minus 3 by 2. 2 and 2 can be cancelled. So minus 2 and plus, minus into minus plus. So we get it is plus 3. Then 0 minus 2 into half. 2 and 2 can be cancelled. We get it is minus 1 into A. Therefore, we got the answer. We have converted, we have taken A is equal to IA, and finally we got I is equal to B into A. I is equal to B into A. Therefore, this B is the inverse of given matrix. Therefore, A inverse is equal to, what is that matrix? 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, then minus 4, 3, minus 1, 5 by 2, minus 3 by 2, and 1 by 2. Therefore, this is the inverse of the given matrix, inverse of given matrix. So this is same, I have told you, you have to follow this procedure. So you follow this procedure, or you can go here A11, A21, A31, then A12, A22, A32. After that, you see the elements, either you can use this or go through here A33, then A3, A23, then A13. Either what I given this way you can follow, or one more way what I solved here, that also you can use. Here in the last steps I have done R1 plus then R2. You can change also. After this you can go here and you can go here, or here, anyway you can convert. So this is a method of finding a inverse of a given matrix. So there are same problem you can find the inverse by column operation also. Now I have done in the row operation. So what is that? Exercise 3.4. there are 3 problems, 15, 16 and 17. You complete exercise 3.4. Exercise 3.4. in that 15, 16, 17. 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. 18 and only 18. 16, 17, 18 and 19. These 15, 16, 17 and 18. These are the problems of in finding inverse. So here we have completed this chapter matrix. So here we have discussed all the operations of operations of a matrix. In that, finding the inverse is a very important one. So here also this 3 by 3 is not so important. The important one is finding inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix from using elementary operations. So this is very important. Thank you.